Have you ever wanted to make money by watching movies? Well, I'm going to show you a brand new application, a app that is going to pay you to do so. This is going to be a simple, easy, and passive way you can start to earn money online right now with your mobile device. So make sure you watch this video, because by the end of this video, I'm also going to show you my #1 recommended method on how you can start to make money online. So this is the application right here, guys. I am on my mobile device right now, and I'm going to leave the link to this application down below. But first, watch this video so you know exactly what you need to do to start making some money, guys. And I'm going to show you reasons why you need to watch these videos entirely in order to get your money, because I actually tried two movie clips or two movies and watched them until I actually reached the actual Satoshi amount it says. But after that, guys, I exited out of the movie and didn't get any money from that. So once you watch these, you have to watch them entirely to make this passive and to actually get your income. So the way they actually do this, guys, and again, the link's going to be down below to get started right away. Look, you can see the film 2012 right here. That is 1 hour and 46 minutes long. What I did is I actually just let this run all night. So I actually put it on the lowest volume possible. I didn't put at the I didn't mute it because I didn't know if that was going to stop it. So you can possibly mute it, or you can just leave it to the lowest volume possible on your mobile device, or if you have a phone farming phone, which is a phone that just makes you money 24 hours a day, run this on that, and so you can start to make some money, guys. So look right here, this is all it does. Once you click on the link down below and you sign up and you actually just get started with this, guys, you can just click on any one of these movies and start to earn Satoshis. You're going to need a minimum balance of around 50 Satoshis in order to withdraw. So I have my Coinbase wallet right behind me, guys. I took out all the money I had in here because I don't like to keep my crypto in like one certain location. I like to move it everywhere. So let me refresh the page real quick on Coinbase so you can see that this is legit. So once we actually come back over here, go inside of this app, we can start to watch a movie. But once we click on any of these, you're going to get prompted a lot of ads during the movie, guys. That is how they make their money. So let's click on 2012 film really quick. So I already clicked on it. Now it's going to load it up. And then now you're going to see all of these different ads right here. As you can see right there, there's a lot of different ads. You're going to get this little bar down here, guys, that's just going to start to turn blue once you start to play the movie. So now it's playing, and then you're going to start to see the bar turn blue down here, slow but steady, and you're going to see this percentage. So once this reach 100%, you can actually exit out of the movie and start to get your money, guys. And you can also see the Bitcoin balance right here in the bottom right hand corner of the movie, and showing you that it's growing every minute or every second, guys. So every minute of you watching the movie, I think it's going to give you 1 Satoshi. So that is how you can start to make money passively. This is how I am making money passively with this brand new application, and you can get started right now. There are some movies or clips that are very small, so like this 30-minute one, there's another 27-minute one right there. There is another 40-minute one that is about Diablo. So you can see all of these and start to make money. There's actually some really decent ones in here as well. Like this one, I think it is called In Time. So that's a really decent movie. There's Alpha's another decent movie. So you can actually, like Avatar is a decent movie. So you can actually watch these movies for free and get paid to do so. So now let's move on to the other part of this method real quick, because I want to show you that this is working and this is 100% legit at the moment. So now, since we have watched a couple of movies, let's say you watched 1 or 2 in order to get your 50 Satoshis. Now let's go over here to the where it says wallet. Once you come over here to wallet, you're going to need a Coinbase account, and I'm going to leave the links for you guys down below. So let's go over here, let's type in my Coinbase email address, and this is going to be my first time withdrawing from this application, but I know that this is going to pay out, guys. So look, let's click on withdraw BTC. Now it might tell us it's going to take around 24 hours or so. So now I just got prompted that I got a deposit inside of my account right away. You can see that right there where it has a little C on my little notifications at the top of my bar of my phone. Now let's refresh the page really quick, and you're going to see this balance just grow just possibly even a tiny bit, possibly not even at all, guys, because it is really a small amount. So it grew 1 cent. So look how easy that was. And guys, I know that does not seem like a lot of money to you, but this is passive income. You can get started with this running on like multiple devices. That, let's say you go to sleep, right? Whenever you go to sleep, what are you doing? you're just asleep, you're not making any money, you're not doing anything at all, you're possibly even losing money because you're not working, right? So this is something that you can actually grow and just stay consistent and grow a business out of this. Again, if you guys see my previous video, I'm going to show you how you can start to build a business from zero, guys. So look, this is how I'm building my business. I'm using these applications, these websites, all to my advantage. I'm saving up as much money as possible from zero and going to show you a whole strategy. So if you haven't seen my previous video, guys, go over there to my channel, check it out, and the link to that video is going to be down below as well. You can see this right here where it says notes. It says 68 Bitcoin Satoshis from Faucet TV. Don't forget to rate and review because your valuable review gives strength to our app. So this is the actual payment proof right there, right in front of your guys' eyes, that this application is paying. So again, the link's going to be down below. Get started right away. Start making some passive income. That was only the 30-40 minute long video that I did for that 68 Satoshis. So you can keep watching all of these. You only get a maximum of 2 withdrawals per day. So I already used up one of them for you guys. And now I'm going to start to save up these tokens or save up these Satoshis so I can start to withdraw at least twice a day, having this run on one of my phone farming phones. And guys, now let's get started with that #1 recommended way to make money online. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like I guess program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.